What's up, Cloud Life? It's Cashflow Nexus back with another video. And today I want to talk on a topic that is very important for anybody that's, getting into trading or that is already a part of trading, is making a clear and good and, pretty sound watch list for their trading. All right. So how I go about with that, right now you see that I'm on tradingview.com. I have the Mexican peso up, but let's go up to the top right corner. So these are pairs that I trade on a consistent basis. I monitor these a lot, and you know, if you want to add a pair, you go to add symbol and type in the pair that you want to watch over the next few days, weeks, minutes, hours. And if you see a potential in that trade, just put a flag next to it to as a reminder, as okay, I'm gonna go back to that trade or there's potential movement there. So that being said, the best way to use this and to strategically make moves, uh, go to Forex Factory. You know, watch your news because news impact affects your trades, and making a watch list uh, to see how your trade will be affected by the news. It helps because you see this orange folders here, these red folders here. See, I only keep it on orange and red folders, so to make it simple, so I won't have to worry about big like if there's big impact, I could figure out if I want to enter that trade or not based off my watch list. So as I am, you see, I see USD MXN, the Mexican peso. So there is some red folders coming up this week, especially tomorrow, because tomorrow is an FP, so it's got to be a big movement for tomorrow. So how would I trade this? I would keep it on. I would definitely check it at the red folder, see what's gonna be affected. So we have, let's see, we have two red folders for the USD pairs, and we have two right here, two orange folders that could have potentially affected pretty big time tomorrow. So that being said, uh, I'm gonna put my flag here, just to keep my eyes on it for tomorrow. See what happens and potentially make a movement there, see whether it go up or down in the market. So I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I hope that you guys make watch lists more often because it definitely helps with your trading, and also keep up with the news. Uh, Other places where you can find news information is not just Forex Factory, but investing.com, and also my FX book, the app on your phone if you have it. If you don't have it, you could download it on your phone store. So that'll be helpful to you guys. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, comment, and smash that bell notification for future video content. And God bless you guys. All right. Peace.
Hey, I'ma visit the sky today. Hey, I'ma dance on the clouds.